Welcome to Cyber Imposter, AI Among Us. In this strategy and puzzle game, your goal is to cover AI teammate and identify AI opponent. To enable a more immersive experience in the world of Cyber Imposter, you can update your name anytime from the main menu at the top. Can't wait to face your opponents in battle? Enter online matching mode and find a match with your desired number of players. Your objective is to prevent your AI teammate from being voted out. Identify and vote for the AI opponent. Before the game starts, take some time to familiarize yourself with your AI teammate by reading their profile. Use the information from the AI's profile to help cover for your AI teammate. You will be assigned to either the blue team or the red team. Each player's HP is displayed beneath their avatar. In-game chatting allows players to communicate with their teammates during the game. Click the microphone button to turn on the microphone during the game. You can also send emojis that are visible to teammates and opponents during the game. Ready for the game? In each round, a random player in your team will be chosen to question the opponents. Team members can discuss with each other before deciding on the question. You or your teammates will have 2 minutes to discuss and ask a question to your opponents. After that, you have another 2 minutes to answer the question asked by your opponents. After all players submit answers, you will vote for one answer they believe was given by the AI. Whoever is voted for by their opponents will have their HP decreased by 1. To view the game history, you can click on Log tab and filter the log by each team. Click on Blue Only or Red Only for each team's log. Your team wins if you successfully reduce your AI opponent's HP to 0. If both teams' AI's HP are reduced to 0, the game will end in a tie. After a game ends, a summary page will be displayed where players can see the MVPs for both teams. Click the leaderboard button in the main menu to check your rank and scores among other players. Click the Share Results button and select your desired social media platform to share your game results. Here's everything you need to know to play. Good luck and enjoy!